how long does it take the average person to, first of all, learn the fundamentals, then be able to apply the fundamentals so they can actually achieve a measure of success?
I think if you plan to become a full-time trader and want to make a living of trading only, you will need at least 2 years. Maybe there are people much sharper and much quicker than me, but that's how long it took me. You really need to be able to do it part-time. You know, when I started, the only coin I was able to trade was Litecoin, LTC. That's it. I farmed it. Then I bought in at a low price, sold at a high price. And then I bought more coins with my profit, and that, so I farmed the coins and started selling. And from there on, I was able, but following that one coin, you learned its cycles, its behavior, you learn its channels. There's not a lot you can tell me about Litecoin. You understand? So for at least 6 months, it's the only coin I traded. But then you start learning about IDOs, and you start learning about NFTs, and you start learning about all the other coins and Ethereum. And obviously, you always follow Bitcoin. But I mean, Bitcoin is so expensive. And if Bitcoin increases by 2%, Litecoin will increase by 10%. So why just trade by Litecoin, in my opinion? But there's a lot of strategy. I mean, later on you learn, if you pay with Bitcoin instead of USDT, you make money in terms of your coin, your asset, and you get more Bitcoin. It's like two trades in one. But that's a very advanced level. But you need to start with something, and that's what I'm saying. Start with money that you can afford to lose, and start familiarizing yourself with one or two coins. And don't hop around. Just learn to know the coin and the charts and the patterns. And once you know how the patterns work, how to calculate your technical targets, then move on. Then broaden your candy store. It's like,
So start narrow, and once you've gained proficiency there, you've mastered that, then you can start.
yeah, yeah.